Dave the Great 210 here, and I brought back my friends with me. And so we're going to the abandoned factory.
We're not fully there yet?
Wow.
15 minutes like to get there.
How long did it take, Sean?
It would take like 15 minutes or so.
Oh.
No.
Wait, David, can I?
Dave the Great 210 here, and this is the road the abandoned factory is on. We're halfway
His girlfriend
up the road.
lives near here.
No, I don't care. Shut up.
High school humor nowadays.
What?
So David, what's the road?
So there's gonna be a
Why
cool
should I
view
give
up
it? What
there.
people?
David, should you give us some history
We
about this
live
road?
really far away from this road. We live super
Yeah,
far.
but I don't.
I know about it.
David, go deep.
Oh,
You didn't get that. What?
David, sing.
better.
David, dance. Dude, why'd you stop so quickly? When the beat drops.
Yeah, the song.
David,
Go.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
My
Eric.
horse.
What's his name?
I don't know.
The homie, number 1. This is homie
And
number
that's
2.
only number 2.
Oh, dude.
Thanks for feeding him, Sean. That's a nice thing to do. Bro, I stepped on a nail and it went through the shoes.
Oh.
It didn't go through my sock though.
Thank God.
Thank God it did.
Kieran, come upstairs.
Okay.
I don't want to go like that far because the other area fell.
I think I stepped on like glass or some shit.
Yeah,
Did you just put a hole in the floor?
you.
You almost died. This is a whole meat packing place. That's why all the casings are here.
Wait, what is this place?
Old meat packing place.
Yeah. They probably take cows from the farm that we were at
At least I'm
nearby.
pretty sure.
Pull down and just.
right.
I don't know.
Yeah,
What
fucking-
is it?
I don't know.
That's in-
This was a big like lit
That's why
factory.
this place shut down.
Yeah, it got abandoned. It got shut down.
I know, I wonder why. I wonder if maybe it was a farm. And that was like the milk. Give it a shot.
Guys, and thank you for watching this video to the abandoned factory. And please comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Peace.